Project Search is a one-year high school transition program for individuals with significant disabilities.
I think if people ask me, what is Project Search and what do you think about it, it's a program that I've been around for a long time and it works.
It's about learning independence and it's about learning to do things for yourself.
The students come here to learn about vocational skills and also more independent living because their main goal is to get paid employment at the end.
A normal day in Project Search, the students ride the city bus, most of them ride the city bus to get here. During the summer we train them so they know how to get from their home to the hospital.
And they will admit that that's probably one of the biggest things that their individual loved one did was increase their self-esteem and level of self-confidence just by riding the Indigo bus, by being with their peers, by being with everybody else in the city that go to work. Now with technology the way it is, we utilize a lot of different levels of platforms of technology to help increase their safety as well as the awareness of their whereabouts. And then we give that information to the parents so the parents can actually track their loved ones on the city bus if need be, if that's what reassures the parents too.
They can do a lot more than we realize, and our students end up doing a lot more than parents ever thought that their son or daughter could do.
That is why we're here. So, class starts about 8 o'clock and they have about 45 minutes to 60 minutes of class. And we talk about job skills, money skills, health and nutrition, relationships, how to keep a job, and all those things in the middle, applications, interview skills, all those things that you need for a job.
Your brain chemicals change. Did you know that?
A lot of times the students are nervous when we sit them down at the beginning and we do orientation and we talk about here are all the jobs that we have available and what would you like to do? And they get a little overwhelmed, they just can't picture it sometimes. They take a minute, we go and we see the jobs, we do a tour, we make sure that they understand, and we kind of assess the skills that they have so we make sure that they're going to be put in a place where they're going to be successful.
We train every student on the rotations and we are with them until they feel that they are comfortable independently.
And then where you find it is right here.
So our students come in and do those daily tasks that just need to get done. Like we have students who assemble blood draw kits, which is just a bag of supplies where a nurse can grab stuff and get back to the patient faster. And so we try to support the hands-on nurses and other staff who give care to the patients by making their job easier and having things clean and set up for them.
I don't think I've ever had a student say, well, because of my disability, I can't do that. I think sometimes maybe we hold them back more than they're held back. Being here and having the same expectations and being treated like their coworkers and their peers is a good thing for them.
It's a very normal environment, and so we want to make sure that that's very seamless with our interns, that they're just part of the culture, they're part of the team, they're no different than you or I, and they can do it.
I think the best part of Project Search is the students when they come in, and by the time they're finished, how much growth you see.
They really just need a little extra support, a checklist, and they can do it.
The individual interns, their growth and maturity through the year is astounding.
We need to make sure that we're giving our young adults and young children with disabilities the opportunity to learn and grow so that they have these skills and can be very proud of themselves.
And so this model is really special and gives them such a good opportunity that everybody deserves.
We hold them to high expectations because we know they can do it.
I expect them, not only challenge them, but expect them to do well, and I just want to see that.
Our ultimate end goal is for them to take the skills that they've learned at Project Search on the job, in the classroom, and be able to utilize those and get a job.
All of our kids leave the program with a real good concept of what real work is. And I see what our interns are doing, and they're making an exceptional experience for so many different people that without this program, it wouldn't be possible.
At graduation, it always makes me cry to see the pride in their eyes of where they started and where they've come from.
When our Project Search interns are here, I tend to have just a better day.